Day one here at Tour of the Gila, the Tyrone individual time trial, a legendary day of American racing, sets the scene for the rest of the week here. Just over 16 miles of total racing. It's an out and back course with a little over 1,100 feet of elevation gain throughout the stage. Rolling hills out on this course. You have to be very good with power modulation to do well on the individual time trial. It's a specialized style of racing. There are very few riders that can do well at the individual time trial, but if you can put in a good ride like that, it sets you up for a perfect week trying to defend the red jersey. Pro men were up first. We watch Eric Brunner dominate in the field. No surprise for him. He's a real power rider. Big question will be, can he climb when the road starts to go uphill with the following stages? Over on the women's side, no surprises there either. Lauren Stevens sets the fastest time of the day. The big story out there is the best young rider, Sydney Swarenga, the 17-year-old out of Canada, rides to a second place finish on the day. That puts her in white in the best young rider jersey and sets up an incredible battle between the veteran Lauren Stevens and the newcomer Sydney Swarenga as we move forward in the Tour of the Gila. Stage 2 tomorrow, one of the biggest climbing days here at Tour of the Gila as they leave Goff Park in downtown Silver City and head up the Mogollon to the legendary Mogollon finish. There will be some big gaps in the overall tomorrow. So the time trial is one thing, but the climbing day on stage 2 is a whole nother monster.